audio's on?
Wait a minute.
Hang on.
No, we got it.
She gotta take a shot of vodka
You
first.
see that
I
pickle?
want to see her throw
There's a
off this.
pickle in there.
This is
Right?
really cool.
Wait, where is it? There's a little bit of...
Okay, check it
Where's
out.
the rest of it?
That's the pickle.
Where's
Okay,
the
now
rest
we're
of
just
the pickle?
gonna put. I'm making a Bloody Mary in the
It's a
beer
chaser.
bong.
It's a chaser.
Of vodka?
Oh, yeah, this
Just
will
a
make
little
great
bit.
video. YouTube.
Yeah.
Fuck, you're gonna
And
do
now
all
let's
this?
do it. I don't want to
No, you don't want a hard drink. No.
heartburn.
Heartburn.
Wait.
No. That's the least of your worries. Look
Hey,
at that
look,
pickle.
there's some juice.
Shake it up, mix it up real nice.
Oh, wait. No, that ain't a
I don't-
pickle. No, you pulled that shit out. If you're gonna be a dirty girl, be a dirty
Wait.
girl.
Oh, Jesus
I got it, I got
Christ.
Don't
Put the pickle
don't
in
put
there.
the pickle in there because I won't drink it. Then.
It's at the bottom.
She's eating it. It's
She
cool.
already ate it.
You slut.
You're not even taking a video of her eating it, so.
Well, because the pickle.
Well, not cause I.
Alright, do the pickle. Do the
Man.
pickle.
Ready?
Hey,
Do it.
you wanna do me a
Ready?
favorite? Cut the pickle.
Tickle, tickle.
So gross. Oh my God, Amanda, do it.
Travis, I never heard that. Cut the pickle, tickle, tickle. You never heard that
Alright,
one?
come on, we're running out of
Hold on.
space.
Travis,
That way. No,
hold
I'm right
the
here.
beer bong down.
It's a freaking ounce and a
You are
half.
such a vagina. Hey, take all the air too. That'd be cool.
Yeah, suck it. Like you never breathed
Did you
before.
hear that?
Little plaster.
Did you hear
Come on,
that?
come on. Did you just box her lungs or what? That was awesome.
There you go. Look at her face.
That'd be the pickle. It's so hot. Oh, and she ate it again. I missed that. Spit it out again. Spit it out again. Eat it. Throw some bits on the floor. See if she eats it.
Burns my nose.
That's awesome.
Oh, that was messed up.
Oh, that was gross. I'm totally going to bed.
It burns my nose.